Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. In this video, we'll be doing a $10 Dollar Tree products only pedicure tutorial. I was browsing my comment section and I saw this one by one of you guys, so shout out to you for the idea. Went to Dollar Tree, grabbed about items to range about $10 for my total. I have a separate video where we go in the store and browse the beauty section together, so be on the lookout for that one on Sunday. And these are the items that I picked up, a total of $10. I was even able to find a bucket. I'm going to start off by washing that out. You see me only rinsing it here, but I did properly cleanse it off camera. And any products that you already have at home would definitely work well for our $10 budget. So I'm going to use something that I already have because it keeps me from purchasing more body wash. And then I'm going to pour in the rest of the Epsom salt into my little storage. Grab any body washes that you already have, cotton balls as well, and we're going to use that for the pedicure. So since I couldn't find any good scrubs, we're going to make our own scrub. And again, these are products that we may already have at home. Grab some sugar. I measured out about 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to add in this coconut oil that I found in the Dollar Tree. This is a head to toe coconut oil, so this works great for the pedicure. Mixing that up together, I'm going to add in more oil because I like for my feet to be very moisturized afterwards. That way we can skip the lotion step by having enough oil on the feet. So a lot of you all do ask me how you set up to be able to reach your feet. So that's a quick little glimpse at my setup outside of the camera. I'm going to use the cotton ball as well as the 100% acetone that I purchased at Dollar Tree to remove my old nail polish. I hold the cotton ball on top of my toes for just a quick little second, and then I wipe in a downwards motion to remove the polish. Also, for the scrubs, you can use coffee, you can use salt, or a mixture of brown sugar, different things like that just for an exfoliation. But keep in mind, if you use salt, any cuts that you have, it will kind of burn. So I'm going to add some of that same coconut oil to the water and let our feet soak for about 5 minutes. Since I don't have the vibrations and bubbles, if you watch my other pedicure tutorials, you want to let our feet soak for a while. And then I'm going to use a cotton ball to wipe off any excess polish that may be loosened up. And I do have this little wood stick that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and also this cuticle pusher. These don't work as well as the cuticle pusher that I purchased from Sally Beauty, but if you let your feet soak well enough to soften up the cuticle area, it will definitely help to push back the cuticles. Oh yeah, 2 different options for that. The other one was in like this little kit. I didn't purchase it this particular time when I went, but I do remember this tool being something that I have purchased from Dollar Tree. That's why I'm using it in this video. In other pedicure tutorials, I am able to use like little cuticle dissolvers and things like that. So just a little quick pedicure hack, since obviously we can't get a cuticle dissolver at Dollar Tree. Maybe if you apply some lotion to the cuticle area, it'll soften up the cuticles the exact same way. So for any tools that you're able to find similar to these at your local Dollar Tree, you want to use the pointed side to clean underneath the nails, and then use the kind of indented side. I don't know the technical term here, but we'll use that side to push back the cuticles. And then you can also use that pointed side. It helps to remove any excess polish around that cuticle area, the excess dead skin. This worked really well too, by the way. So now that we have those steps out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and open this little, it's like a 4-sided little pedicure thing. I don't even know the exact name of it, but we're going to use all 4 sides. And basically my technique here, since there weren't any instructions, I'm going to start using the roughest portion of it and work my way down to the smoothest side. I'm just going to massage along my heels, and I kind of pause for a second to just rub the area and see what it feels like. This tool works very well. This is not my first time using this. I have used it in pedicure tutorials before, and I purchased it from Dollar Tree actually because I don't sleep on Dollar Tree, and neither should you. Moving to the next side, if you will, we're going to use the pumice stone. I like to dip mine into the water. You can use this wet or dry if you would prefer. You can Google and read about the different methods. If you don't purchase or look for any other tools at your local Dollar Tree, you have to get this one. Now we're going to proceed to use the brush, and this will help to remove any excess dust from underneath the nails where we push back the cuticles and cleaned underneath our toenails. Now moving to the smoothest side of the file, and we're just going to rub that along the heels again. I like to use these on my feet when they're wet. Honestly, I haven't really found that wet or dry it works better than the other. For me, it's about the same. Plus I do my feet every 2 weeks anyway, so the maintenance is just kind of, you know, easier. So I wasn't able to find a full pedicure kit with like the toenail cutter, the nail clipper, the file, and all of that in one like I'm usually able to see, and I mistakenly broke mine. I couldn't find a toenail clipper at all in the store this particular day, but I'm going to use this fingernail clipper just to trim at my nails. I do have acrylic on both of my big toes, so I won't be clipping those with the small one because I feel like I would have broken it. But anywho, just trying to use this little file to shape the nails. And a lot of these products that I purchased don't really have instructions on them or too many details. I'm unable to tell you all what the grit may be on this file. Normally my files from Sally Beauty are 180 grit files, so I'm not sure. And I know some people do like to go in one direction when they file. As small as this file is, guys, and with these products being from Dollar Tree, we're not going to focus on that. We just want to try to file the nails, okay? My nails don't really break anyway, and this worked pretty well too on my acrylic, and my acrylic is also lifting, so I'm going to go ahead and just trim it there. I gently press along the free edge of my nail to lift it slightly and trim away any of the parts that have lifted. I left out the portion of the acrylic overlay that I do on my big toes just because I can't get acrylic at Dollar Tree, but I'll link the pedicure tutorial where I've shown that on camera before in the description box below. I'm using this buffer to smooth out the top of the nails, that way our polish goes on very easy, and I like this buffer, by the way. It works really well. Now we're going to go ahead and take our do-it-yourself sugar scrub and use that to massage all over the feet. And I like to go up a little bit on the ankles and my legs as well. You can use this scrub all over the body, and I just take my time with this and let it be as therapeutic and relaxing as possible, massaging between the toes, along the top of the nail, basically the entire foot to get off the dead skin. So I was a little hesitant filming this video just because I knew that if I was using products only from the Dollar Tree, I would be omitting a lot of my favorite products that I normally include in my pedicure tutorials, like my sloughing lotion, which as you massage and massage it, it sort of peels off the dead skin and it looks like little eraser marks, like when you would erase something in school and swipe it to the side. Just considering what I normally use compared to products that I'm using in this video, and if you've seen both types of my videos, you know what I mean. But I wouldn't even say I was that surprised how nice my results turned out. I would definitely suggest checking out your local Dollar Tree. This towel is not from Dollar Tree since we already had towels in the closet. I'm just going to go ahead and pat my foot dry. Taking the LA Colors Mega Grow, I'll be using this as the base coat. I have used this polish before. Just considering the price point, it is only $1 obviously. It's more on the thin consistency, but it serves the purpose just of using it as a base coat. I do get questions in every pedicure tutorial, how do you know when the polish is dry? I don't know. Of different consistencies of lots of different brands out there, but if I just must give you a time frame that will help you, wait 2 minutes in between applying it. So I couldn't find any toe separators. I don't usually use them anyway, but I wanted to for the purpose of the video to help you all. But since I couldn't find them, if you are able to get cotton balls at Dollar Tree like I was able to, you can unravel that one and use it as a toe separator. Quick little nail hack. Quick little tip for polishing them neatly, just kind of balance your hand up on something. That is what helps me, and take your time and make sure you don't have excess polish along your brush. Now I'm going to take the color of choice, and this is Wet n Wild Wild Shine in the color Putting on Airs, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this. I always do 2 coats of my polish regardless. So base coat, 2 coats of polish, and then your top coat, allowing each one to dry in between. I'm pretty sure with this being Wet n Wild that it probably costs more than $1 elsewhere, but I think it counts because I did purchase it at Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree has name brand products every so often, and I like the consistency on this polish as well. I'm being mindful to really take my time so that I don't make too many mistakes. I did go ahead and do my acrylic extensions or my little overlay off camera since I can't get acrylic at Dollar Tree. I think I already said that. For the purpose of the video and me not having to film and then go back off camera to put the acrylic on just to say everything is from Dollar Tree, I decided to just do it off camera. Going back to talking about the products and everything, I'm starting to mess up at this point. It's all good. But I like this polish, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, even if just for me swapping out my color of choice, because y'all know I love white on my toes always. Allowing the polish 2 coats to dry, and it's very opaque, so yeah, you can't really see through the polish. I didn't need any extra coats. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat. Also keeping in mind you do get what you pay for. This top coat is a little on the thin side as well, so you may have to apply this more than once throughout the wear of your pedicure just to keep that shine. Unlike other polishes, normally I use the Sally Hansen, a big shiny top coat, but for what it's worth and for what I've paid, I'm very satisfied with my pedicure. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope this video helps you all. Go to your local Dollar Tree, see what products you can find. That way you can do pedicures at home. In case my other pedicure tutorials are on the pricey end, just for the items that I normally use, but as we see here, we can achieve a pedicure at home just for $10, more or less, depending on what items you already have at home as well. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. Go ahead and click on the screen to watch more pedicure tutorials on my channel. Comment down below, let me know if you will be trying out this do-it-yourself Dollar Tree pedicure. It'll definitely help you to save money if you're only spending 10 bucks at Dollar Tree. Share this video with a friend. There's no need for any of us to not have our nails done if we can do them ourselves for $10. And I thank you all so much for watching this video.